Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I coming from Nanda Polytechnic College for an internship work. Today we are going to talk about the hydropower solution. This company is located on Karur Main Road, Kollukettu Madu in E-Road. This company was launched in December month 2018 year. Today talking to hybrid power solution. Hybrid power system are used to heat energy converted to electrical energy. Solar system is 4 types. O1, on-grid solar system. O2, off-grid solar system. O3, solar water heater. O4, solar water pump. So today topic on-grid solar system. On-grid solar system works by connecting the solar panels to the electrical grid. During the day solar panels convert sunlight into direct current, DC, electricity, which is then converted to alternating current, AC, by an inverter. This AC electricity is then used to power the home or business, and any excess electricity is sent back to the grid via a net meter. During the periods of low solar production or when the grid is not available, the system draws power from the grid, providing a constant energy supply. The solar system can be classified into 3 different categories based on their connectivity. They are on-grid solar system. On-grid solar system. On-grid solar power system is a solar power generation system where it is connected to the utility grid. The electrical produced by the system is routed to the grid from where it is used into the various appliances. The excess power at any point of time is transmitted back to the grid of energy makes them release electrons are captured, produced electricity. The major categories of solar panel in 2 types. O1, monocrystalline. O2, polycrystalline. O1, monocrystalline. Monocrystalline, high purity silicon is used to make monocrystalline solar panels. Here each solar cell is cut from a single continuous piece of silicon crystal. They are the most efficient as well as expensive technology. O2, polycrystalline. Polycrystalline also called multicrystalline. Solar panels also based on silicon. This type of solar panel consists of multiple small silicon crystal unlike the homogeneous structure that the monocrystalline technology. Quality and warranty. Solar panels quality is determined by statement of warranty in conformation to quality standards. Efficiency. Efficiency would be 50% if the solar panels captured half the energy in the sunlight. Conventional panels efficiency in real-world conditions range from about 12% up to just over 21%. High the efficiency, the more watts of electricity will get per the square meter of panel. Same electrical output is produced if the efficiency is higher for even the smallest solar panel. The disadvantage of high efficiency panels is that they tend to cost more. Cost of solar panel depends upon the kilowatts of electricity generated by solar panels.